Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into today's bird video, the weekend forecast for today's bird video. So, as always on Saturday, we've got your detailed weekend look ahead, and I should get to that for you in a moment. Just to say that first video today was our 6th UK weather forecast. We have also released the EC42 day out, and it's a 10 to 14 day video update with all of the regular features on the way for you later on this afternoon as well. Please like, share, and subscribe on all of today's videos and content. Thank you so much everyone for doing that. Thank you so much for weather outlook and weather for supplying the charts and the dates as well, by the way. Thanks so much, both. The link is in the description with the video. So, sorry everyone. Right, let's start off with radar from weather outlook. We've had showery rain coming southeastwards across central, southern and eastern parts of England through the course of this morning. Also the Midlands. A band of very heavy squally, perhaps even thundery rain has moved southeastwards from Scotland to Northern Ireland, now heading into northern England, and that's being followed by lots of heavy showers and also long spells of rain, and not only rain, cold of some sleet or snow over the highest grounds of central and northern Scotland. So a pretty unsettled day a bit. Wales and southwestern England getting the driest weather at the moment, but wet weather is piling in to northern Wales at the moment. Okay, well, here's today's Oxy pressure chart. Low pressure is dominating the weather, sinking southwards across the country, a ridge building behind it. So those showery bursts across eastern, southeastern regions will continue for a while this afternoon and then move out into the North Sea. Then we're going to have that band of heavy, thundery rain through northern England, North Wales. That will push southeastwards across England, Wales, but get lighter and patchier as it does so. And then follow on behind, lots of heavy showers, long spells of rain with some hill snow packing into Scotland and Northern Ireland. Quite a cold day today. Temperatures ranging about 6 to 12 degrees, which is below average for the time of year. Overnight tonight, everything starts to calm down. The low pressure moves away and a ridge of high pressure builds across the country. So we'll see showery bursts continuing for a while into the evening, but I think the showers and the long spells of rain will be easing down very quickly as the night wears on. Just a few wintry showers into central, northern and eastern parts of Scotland, but most places dry tonight with long clear spells. It will be a cold night, unusually cold for the middle of October. Temperatures in Scotland will go down to freezing to -5 in some places. Excuse me again, everyone. Further southwards, we'll see temperatures not as cold as that, but nevertheless, certainly a cold night, even down the south. Temperatures around 3, 4, 5 degrees. Will be cold enough for some touches of ground frost in rural areas, all the way down to southern parts of England tonight. So, a pretty chilly one. But to compensate, we'll have a nice ridge across the country tomorrow. So Sunday looks a mainly dry day with plenty of sunny spells coming through. Maybe some shower rain arrive across either the far southwest by the end of the afternoon into the evening. But the bulk of the country will stay dry tomorrow with sunny spells. However, after that very cold start, it will be a pretty cold day despite the sunshine. Temperatures only ranging about 5 to 10 Celsius, which again is below average for the time of the year. Into Monday, well, we're going to have some showery rain pushing across England and Wales overnight from Sunday into Monday, so that could be quite heavy actually. So a cloudy, damp start across England and Wales on Monday itself. I think most of the rain will die out. A few showery bursts will continue out to the west, but with pressure building, I think looking at a mostly dry day, but probably with quite a lot of cloud. And temperatures could reach around 16 degrees in the far southwest, that's 61 Fahrenheit. But generally, another pretty chilly day, I think, actually, for Monday under those cloudy skies. Temperatures probably only ranging from about 6 to 12 Celsius again. We start to drop more of a southerly flow, though, into Tuesday. We could see some heavy showers, maybe even some thundery showers coming to southern and western regions through the course of Tuesday afternoon and evening. But otherwise, it should be a mainly dry day with bright or sunny spells coming through, and most temperatures should start to lift up as well, around 10 to 15 or 16 degrees. Wednesday keeps that southerly flow going, but low pressure coming in from off the Atlantic, so we could see some quite heavy rain pushing into the west through the course of Wednesday. Heavy showers elsewhere, or maybe a bit thundery down in the south. Northern and northeast regions probably hanging on to mostly dry weather through the course of Wednesday, and temperatures again, temperatures again in the south and the southeast could reach 16, 17, maybe 18 degrees. So turning warmer actually around the middle part of the week. Through to Thursday, well, showery rain is likely overnight Wednesday into Thursday. I think a lot of that eases off through Thursday itself with bright or sunny spells developing. Temperatures in the east and the south could reach around 19 or 20 degrees, probably the peak of the temperature this week. Down in the southeast, 20 is 68 in Fahrenheit. And then another weather system starts coming in off the Atlantic and from the south as well. On Friday, that will bring more general persistent outbreaks of rain across much of the country. Temperatures will start to edge downwards as well, only ranging from about 12 to 15 degrees probably on Friday. And then into the weekend, we'll also keep it pretty mild with winds in from the southwest, temperatures into mid-teens Celsius anyway. There is likely to be further rain at times, especially so for more northern and western regions perhaps. If I just have a look at the chart for weather outlook, so lots of rain and showers across the country today. Tomorrow, though, will be a much drier day, albeit quite a cold one for the time of the year. And then into Monday, quite a bit of dry weather as well, once we get rid of the overnight rain from Sunday into Monday. Tuesday will start to bring some rain into the south and west, with some heavy showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder. Many central and eastern regions probably staying dry. And then into Wednesday, it turns increasingly unsettled with outbreaks of rain spreading north to eastwards across the country. It will be very warm in the southeastern corner. Through to Thursday, temperatures peaking then at around 20 degrees, so another very warm day, probably drier as well. And then wet weather comes back and the temperature begins to edge downwards again on Friday. So a very changeable week to come. So, in summary, we're looking at a pretty cold start with a cold night tonight and a pretty chilly day tomorrow. After that, temperatures will be lifting up, though, gradually through the week, becoming very mild, if not warm, by the middle part of the week. But watch out for further outbreaks of rain at times. We never quite get away from the wet weather, do we? And by the end of the week, well, still looks unsettled and temperatures starting to edge downwards a little bit, but probably still slightly above average. Okay, well, we're going to be back with your 10 to 14 days shortly, so come back for that in a bit. But for weekend forecast for this week, that's all for now, and thanks for watching.